Hello everyone. So many of the time you might have been given data something like this, and you want to separate year, month, date, etc. out of a given date column. How to do that exactly? Very simple. Just click on new column and let's have a new column created, and I'm going to name this column as year, and over here there is a function called year. Into that you just need to give the table name, and out of the table name, the table name along with the column from which you want to extract the year, right? And that is it. So this is done. As soon as you hit enter, or maybe you can click this as well, this is what you're gonna get. Now after this, I want to create two more columns, one for month, the other ones is for date part out of this given column. Okay, how to do that? So for that, again, I need to click new column, and as soon as I do that, over here I just get this, then I'm going to say month, and over here there is a function called month. In that I'm going to again put this column. Okay, and again I need to hit enter, and here is what I got, right? Then the next part is again getting the day part out of this whole date column. So how to do that? Let's try it. Day, and into that I'm going to say day function, and out of that again table name along with the date column from which we want to do the extraction. Let's just see it. All right, this is also done. So this is 1st May 2019. Now what if I want to I have been given the data something like this, and I want to combine them all together to come up with a date. How can I do that? So for that, again, let's create a new column, and this time I'm going to name that column as complete date, and over here I would say date, and like you can see, it is suggesting provide year, then month, and then day. So I'm just going to provide year. I already have year here, but for that I just need to use first table and then the column which has year value, then again the same thing for month, then again the same thing for day part. This is done, and just hit enter, close bracket, and hit enter. This is what we get. All right, I can understand you didn't like this format, so how to change that? Let's try changing the format over here, column over here, and from the format I can choose the format whatever I want. So let's put this format. Yeah, so as soon as I do that, this is what I get. Alright, so this is it in this video. I just hope that it was easy for you to understand. Just in case if you get any question, put that into the comment section. I'll definitely try to reply on that and help you with the problem. Thanks once again. Wish you very